What if I told you could have a team of assistants working for your business 24/7, never taking breaks, never calling in sick, and costing less than a single part-time employee? In 2025, this isn't just possible, it's becoming the norm for successful small businesses. Stick around until the end because not only am I going to show you a live demo of how my AI voice agent handles a call, but I'm also going to share an exclusive coupon code that will save you $2,000 on getting your own AI assistant.
Where AI meets ambition.
Hi there, I'm Michelle Anderson, and I help small businesses integrate AI tools into their daily operations. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the biggest game changer for small businesses in 2025, AI agents. You know that feeling when you're juggling 10 different tasks, your phone is ringing, your inbox is overflowing, and you just wish you could clone yourself? That's exactly what AI agents do for you. Think of them as your digital team member who never sleeps, never gets tired, and consistently delivers results. Now, what exactly is an AI agent? Before we dive into the specifics, let's clear up what an AI agent actually is. Think of an AI agent as a digital team member that can understand, communicate, and take actions based on your business needs. Unlike traditional automation that just follows rigid rules, AI agents can understand natural language and context, make decisions based on the situation, learn from interactions to improve over time, and handle complex multi-step tasks. They adapt their communication style to match your brand. The impact is significant. According to recent studies, businesses using AI agents report a 35% reduction in response time to customer inquiries. 64% of businesses implementing AI assistants see improved customer satisfaction scores, and companies save an average of 30 hours per week on routine tasks after implementing AI agents. Now, when I talk about AI agents, I'm not talking about the clunky automation systems of the past. This is something completely different. Traditional automation is like having a robot that can only follow a strict set of rules. If A happens, do B. But AI agents, they're more like having a real team member who can think on their feet. These agents actually understand the context of conversations, just like you and I do. They'll remember what was said earlier in the conversation and use that information to make better decisions. If a customer mentions they're calling about their appointment from last week, the AI knows to look up that history and adjust the conversation accordingly. What's really impressive is how they learn and improve over time. Every interaction teaches them something new about your business and your customers. They pick up on patterns, learn from successful conversations, and get better at handling complex situations. And the best part, they can handle multiple tasks at once without getting overwhelmed or losing track of details. But where these AI agents really shine is in their ability to adapt to your brand's unique style. They're not just generic robots, they become a natural extension of your business, speaking in your company's voice and representing your values in every interaction. Now, there are a lot of different AI agents out there, but today I want to focus on the one that can make the biggest impact on your business: AI voice agents and chatbots. These are your customer-facing team members, the ones who interact directly with your clients. Remember those frustrating phone menus? Press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 to hear these options again. And then there's the dreaded hold music while you wait for someone to finally pick up. Those days are over. Voice AI can answer every single incoming call instantly, no matter how many calls are coming in at once. Your customers never have to wait in a line or listen to elevator music again. So, what makes these modern AI agents so different? First of all, they're actually having real conversations with your customers. I'm not talking about those robotic scripts where they can only understand specific phrases. These AI agents can understand different accents, handle interruptions, and even adjust their tone to match the caller. If someone speaks quickly, they'll pick up the pace. If someone needs more time, they'll slow down. It's pretty amazing to watch them handle complex questions without missing a beat. But here's where it gets interesting. While your human receptionist can only handle one call at a time, these AI agents can manage multiple conversations at the same time. They understand exactly why each person is calling and handle it appropriately. If they come across something that needs human attention, they know exactly when to transfer the call to your team. Plus, they take detailed notes of every single conversation, so you never miss any important details. My favorite part, though, is how proactive they are. They're not just answering calls, they're solving problems. You need to schedule an appointment, they'll check your calendar in real time and find the perfect slot. Have a common question about your services, they'll answer it instantly. And before they schedule any calls with your team, they make sure to collect all the important information. They'll even follow up automatically with confirmation emails and reminders. The best part, these AI agents integrate with your existing systems, so you're not starting from scratch. They can work alongside your current team, handling the routine tasks while your staff focus on more complex matters that truly need a human touch. Now, let me show you exactly how this works in practice. I'm going to play a real call. I'm going to call a voice AI demo that I have, and I want you to listen how naturally she handles this conversation. Hello?
Hey, you have reached Elsie at Precision Books and Company. How can I help you today?
Yes, I'm looking for some help with my taxes.
We offer tax planning and filing for both businesses and individuals. Are you interested in business tax services or personal tax preparation?
I need help actually with both.
Great. We can definitely assist with both. Would you like me to set up an appointment with one of our tax specialists? I can do a scheduling link.
I have a few questions first. Can I ask some questions?
Of course. Feel free to ask any questions you have. I'm here to help.
What kind of services do you actually offer?
We offer a range of services, including bookkeeping, payroll management, tax preparation and planning, as well as financial consulting. Is there a specific area you're interested in learning more about?
I want to know what deductions I can take to lower my business taxes.
I appreciate your question. However, I'm unable to provide specific tax advice over the phone. I'd be happy to set up an appointment with one of our tax specialists who can assist you directly. Would you like me to send you a scheduling link?
What hours are you actually open?
We're open Monday through Friday from 9 in the morning to 6 in the evening. Would you like to book an appointment during those hours?
Yeah, I'm thinking if you have any openings for next week, I'd like to book in maybe for next week sometime.
Perfect. I'll send you a text with a scheduling link. You can pick a time that suits you best for next week. Are you calling from the number where you'd like to receive the link?
Yeah.
Great. I've sent the text with the scheduling link. You can book a time that works for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to chat with us there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know. Have a great day.
What did you think? Did you catch how Elsie responded naturally to all my questions and concerns? Now, this is just a basic demo agent that I built to show here, but there is a lot more that they can do. Now, you might be wondering what all of this actually means for your bottom line. Let me paint a picture for you. First, let's talk about the obvious one, cost savings. Think about what you're currently spending on front office staff, not just salaries, but all the time you spend on training, dealing with turnover, managing schedules, and covering for sick days or vacations. With AI agents, those costs drop dramatically. Plus, you're no longer losing money on missed calls or opportunities that slip through the cracks during these busy periods. But here's what really excites my clients: the improvement in customer experience. For those moments when your team is swamped and calls are going to voicemail or customers are stuck on hold, That doesn't happen anymore. Every single call gets answered instantly, and every customer gets the same professional, friendly interaction. No more apologizing for long hold times or playing phone tag with potential clients. And then there's my personal favorite, how it transforms your lead management. Every single lead that comes in gets immediate attention no matter what time they call or how busy you are. The AI follows up systematically, making sure no opportunity gets forgotten. Plus, you get detailed tracking of every interaction, so you always know exactly what's happening with every lead. It's like having a sales assistant with a perfect memory who never takes a day off. Now, I know what you might be thinking. My customers know they're talking to AI. The truth is, AI voice technology has come so far that most people can't tell the difference. And here's the key. We're not trying to deceive anyone. You're providing better, faster service to your customers. When it comes to implementing AI agents in your business, there are several excellent options available. In my work with clients, we carefully evaluate their specific needs to choose the right solution. There's GoHighLevel, which is great for businesses that want a complete marketing automation suite along with their AI capabilities. There's SynthFlow, which is excellent for custom voice AI. And then there's Vapi, which is perfect for businesses needing flexible voice AI solutions. Take a listen to this.
Welcome to Vapi. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. How's your day going?
It's going pretty well.
That's awesome to hear. Anything exciting happening today, or just taking it easy?
I'm just demonstrating for my channel how it is talking to you. I thought I'd give you a call and see how it sounded.
Well, I'm flattered to be featured on your channel. I hope I sound as good as I feel. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help with the demo.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. If you ever need assistance again or just want to chat, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you. The key is finding the right fit for your specific business, needs, industry, and goals. Every business is different, and what works perfectly for one might not be the best solution for another. That's why I always recommend having a conversation about your specific needs before choosing the platform. Now, before you wrap up, I wanted to mention that I'm currently offering a special discount for my YouTube community. If you're interested in getting started with AI agents for your business, you can use the code FIRST5 when purchasing your services through the link in the description. This will waive the standard setup fee, which is a $2,000 value. This offer is limited to 5 businesses only, so it is a first come, first serve. Once those 5 are gone, it's gone. If you're curious about how AI agents could work in your business, click the link in the description to schedule a consultation. We can discuss your specific needs and find the right solution. If you want to learn about other types of AI agents that can help streamline your business, like chat agents and email assistants, check out my next video. Trust me, you won't want to miss what these other AI tools can do for your business growth. I'll see you there.